These are the rocks that we were talking about. They glow.
Okay, I'm gonna
From this
get out of all of this.
Yes, darling. We are coming back to America. I think we have enough to prove that these diamonds, green during the day and purple.
I'm gonna sign you out.
Okay, darling, yes.
Okay?
Yes. The fire in the middle. Which do you want for your girlfriend? Maybe the big one. Maybe the ball. Ball's purple.